Maybe you're like me and you're challenged with listening sometimes. I have a hearing loss, and unless I wear special technology or headsets with the volume turned way up, it's easier for me to read a transcript or the captions below the video than to listen to an audio. Hi, my name is Claudette, and this is Always Turning Pages. On my channel, we talk mostly about the writing journey, but along with writing also comes doing research, which sometimes includes listening to or reading content on the internet. And because I like YouTube, I often use a transcript to help me retain notes, which is what this video is going to be about today. If a video is particularly interesting to me, or if it provides certain instructions, I like accessing the transcript and taking a note or a screenshot of the instructions if the video doesn't provide that itself. The way to access a video's transcript is actually quite easy, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's use my channel, Always Turning Pages, as an example. Once you have the page, go find the heading that says videos and click it, and it will bring up all the videos. Pick the video you like and open it by clicking it. Scroll down until you see the description and click the word More so it will open up all the way. Now you can scroll down a little further and the transcript will show up at the bottom. When you click it, it will open up in the right margin of your desktop and below if you're in mobile. I like using the transcript sometimes when it's a talking video. Say, for example, if I'm listening to an astrology report by Pam Gregory, there's nothing wrong with the way she's talking to her video, but she's literally just sitting there chatting with her audience. And sometimes people with hearing losses, it takes a lot of effort to listen. And I find it a little bit easier to get through the report that interests me by using the transcript. I'm quite used to reading the transcript with the timestamps, but there's an easy way to get rid of that if you don't like it. So just go to your transcript, highlight it, the whole thing, and copy it into a Word document, Google Docs, Notepad, or any text file, and then send that file to AI, whichever one you choose to use, and instruct it to make the document readable by removing the timestamps. And it will do that for you in seconds, and then you have a clean copy that you can just sit back and read and not worry about having to skip over all these numbers. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments and remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in.